so we want to make sure that the balloon's not leaking.
Okay.
And there's 5 milliliters of water in the balloon.
Okay.
So I'm just making
Gotcha.
sure to see no leaks. Take the water back out. Gonna leave the syringe on the end.
Okay.
Get some lube on it so it's ready to go. Okay. I'm not gonna use your syringe. I'm gonna
Okay.
leave your syringes in there.
Okay, great.
Or actually, I lied to you. I did use your syringe.
Oh, okay.
So I'll give you a spare one.
All right.
To take home with you. Put that in there now so I don't forget to do that.
Okay.
Alright, sweetie pea. And I'm sure you've seen them when you take them out. They look
Oh,
all
yeah.
brown
Oh, yeah.
and yucky and blah.
Let's see how much.
Okay. All right.
Water's still in there.
Yeah. I like your
Now
shirt,
you're
Miss
sucking
Carly.
the water out now, right?
Yes,
So,
you want to take the
okay.
water out
Before
because
you pull
it's
it.
the balloon is like the back part of the earring. It's holding it in place.
Looks like there's some in there.
There is some in there. Not a whole lot
Mm,
though.
Okay. It must have leaked and we didn't know.
Well, the body's very hot,
Mhm.
so the water will
Okay.
evaporate, and that's why it's not so much the balloon is bad. See, there's like 2, so you're lucky.
So you
that's-
should be, what, 5? Okay.
And sometimes it can be like you can adjust it up or down some to make
Okay.
it fit, customized fit. So if you notice it's fitting too loose, you can add a little bit more. Fitting too tight,
Okay.
you can take some out.
How often should we check the water? Just,
Really, I probably would check it maybe once a month,
okay. Okay.
or if you notice it fitting
Yeah,
different.
okay.
Okay, sweetie pea. Now I want to make sure this is gonna. Okay. Her stoma looks great. You guys do a great job taking care of it.
Well, my wife does, huh?
Mom does a great job taking
See,
care
Mommy
of it.
does a good job, doesn't she? Huh?
Okay, so now we're just going to take this out.
Okay.
She's pretty tight. She does have a tight stoma.
Tight
I'm not
stoma.
going to lie to you.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna
Which
take
makes it
this
harder
out.
to push it out.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
baby.
All done, Angel. And then
All
we're just
done.
going to put that back in. See?
Oh.
Oh, you did good, sweetie. I'm sorry
Is that
if
why
that
it's
was
all brown? Is that
uncomfortable.
just from the
Stomach
beginning?
acids
Okay.
and everything, and just the formula.
Okay.
And it probably was uncomfortable because even though I deflated the balloon,
Yep.
it just kind of
Okay. Stay.
Yeah.
This will feel better for you.
Sorry, honey.
This'll
I
feel better
know.
for
I
you.
apologize, sweet pea. Okay.
I thought you. Oh, you were just testing the balloon when you had the. You put. Looked like you put 5 in before. Oh yeah. You
I did,
pulled
but then I
out.
pulled it
That's
back
right.
out.
That's right.
Are you okay? She's kind of pushing on my hand. I want to make sure. This shouldn't hurt her. It shouldn't be uncomfortable. But
How's
there
that?
is quite a bit more water in it than what was
Yeah.
before. So I'm going to just kind of. I'm going to see how tight because we may not want to put. Oh yeah, that's pretty tight. We're not going to. And she's acting like that's
Pull
uncomfortable.
it out to like 3
I'm
maybe.
going to do. Let's see what we get.
That feel better? Huh? Does that feel good?
Is that okay? Are
Okay.
you smiling? Does that mean we're good?
Mm-hmm. That feel okay?
'Cause she was kind of doing this, and I
Yeah.
didn't know because there wasn't much in there, and it looked
Yeah.
like it was. But I think a lot of it too was just it had been in there for so
Now,
long.
as she has, the longer she has that in there, even if it's a little uncomfortable now, it should ease out. I mean, she should ease into it.
Well, it should. I mean, it's one of those things
So,
that
in other words, we won't need to take any more water out. You don't think?
you shouldn't have to. See, and if you look and see how it's fitting
Mhm.
here, where there's not
Yeah.
much
Play.
room from the stem,
Okay.
from the post coming out
Yep.
there, but it spins easily.
Okay.
Now, if you should notice that there's like 3.5 cc's in there because I took
Okay,
1.5
okay.
cc's out. So if you notice that it starts leaking some stuff
Mhm.
around here,
Yeah.
then you might want to add just maybe a half a
A little bit
cc
more,
back
okay.
in.